my coolant temperature is high in the car.
Well, we are back. We are getting ready to go on a little cruise. It is a hot 90-degree day today. We got to move the Corolla out the way, get the Audi out. But we're going to cruise with the GTR guys again. So, cruised with them last time. GTR, a few other cars coming out. But we're going to head over there right now, and we'll see you when we get to the spot.
On it that much. The radio. Records voice too?
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know if I get the radio or it's no big deal.
Nah, it's no big deal.
I just love how it's deep.
It does sound really good. I like the white on carbon, but I don't know. This gold's sick.
You never seen other gold one again?
No, I've never seen one.
Never gold. There's only 30 came in the USA in gold.
That's crazy.
I don't know how many are left. Gold. Hello?
My coolant temperature is high in the car.
That's okay.
No, it's too high. I think it needs coolant.
It needs coolant?
Yeah, I just talked to him. He says it needs coolant. It's reading high. They threw a check engine.
Oh, what happened? You got shut off?
I know. I'm gonna find a gas station and go.
Oh, that's weird.
Yeah.
Okay, well, don't go easy on the gas then.
Huh?
Easy on the gas then.
Yeah. I'm easy on the gas. He just threw a check engine. It's never done this before. I don't know. Maybe the coolant level's low. I don't know.
And maybe you guys never got it this high.
It has full service done.
That's weird. Just go easy on the gas.
I am.
Yeah.
Now the white GTR actually blew its radiator, and that's why we were going so slow on those back roads, is he couldn't go over like 30 without overheating. He had no coolant, his radiator blew, so hopefully he's able to fix that all up.
Oh, there's a little car show there too? Oh, that's sweet. A little car show popped up there.
Left side.
wheels are fire. And a sport chrono package with the blue block. A really nice color on the MC20. And wrapped up alright. And the McDonald's Huracan. Oh yeah. M3 GTR. Nice little Gallardo here. GTR that we came with that actually made it to the end of the cruise. Beautiful yellow 911 on some chrome HREs. I think this is a Turbo S. Manual, 6-speed. Thing's nice. So 600 LT pulled up, carbon roof scoop. The exhaust out the back. But this, I believe Papaya or Volcano or something like that, is insane on this car. And this purple RS6 Avant with some HREs. This thing looks insane.